Okay, dokie. Here, right there. Let me tell you the next question, which is ما اسم السوق الشعبي? What's the name of the local market? I believe it's سوق واقف, right?
Hmm.
The market of واقف. ما اسم البناية ذات المنارة المميزة? What's the name of the building that has the special lighthouse?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the building تلك بناية مركز فنار, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you see, like it's like simple questions and answers. Okay. هل يمكن زيارة مركز فنار في أي وقت؟ Yep, for sure. Why? فبوابتها مفتوحة لكل الزوار because its gate is open for all visitors. Sit it.
Mm-hmm.
بماذا يقوم مركز فنار؟ What does the center do؟ نشر الثقافة الإسلامية والعربية وتعليم اللغة العربية لغير العرب. It publishes the Arabic and Islamic culture and it teaches the Arabic language for non-Arabs, right?
Mm-hmm.
ما جنسية صديق عمر؟
Imagine
What's the
seeing.
nationality of Omar's friend? I believe he is from Qatar, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. فيما يرغب صديق عمر الأمريكي. Here I want to ask you a question. يرغب. So are you gonna translate it as he wants or he doesn't want?
He wants.
How do you know?
I don't know.
Okay. I told you, like when it comes to يرغب, okay, like 90% it would be like يرغب فيه. Like this is the major use of the verb يرغب in the Arabic language. Okay, but I'm telling you, sometimes we say يرغب عن, right, which means he doesn't want, right? But here يرغب فيه. You can see here the preposition فيه. You say, Ahmed, no, I cannot see the preposition فيه. I say, oh, come on. This is في ما. في and ما. This is like في, the preposition في and ما. في, it means in, and ما, it means what. But when we like mix them together, now it's not فيما with like an extender alif, it's فيما. فيما. The alif is deleted. Okay, so فيما here means what? في and ما. In what? Okay, so فيما here, he wants to do what? You tell me. فيما يرغب صديق عمر الأمريكي. Like what does the American friend of Omar want? What does he want? So of course he wants to learn the Arabic language. I suppose. One second. Yes, I'm right. يرغب في تعلم اللغة العربية. He wants to learn the Arabic language. Right? ما الذي أعجب عمر في وسط المدينة? If you're gonna translate it, it's supposed to be like this. ما الذي أعجب عمر في وسط المدينة? Like what did Umar like in downtown, in the center of the town? What did Umar like? So in English, you say, what did Umar like? Umar here is the subject, right? But here, ما الذي أعجب عمر with فتحة. Umar here is accusative. He is the object. It's different in Arabic. Okay? If I say أعجبني الأكل or الطعام مصدمة. It means that الطعام here is a subject. If you're gonna translate it in English, it means I like or I liked the food. The food would be the object. And I am the person who liked the food, so I am the subject. In Arabic, it's different. You're gonna translate the verb أعجب or يعجب, okay? Here, أعجبني, the yeah, it's me, okay? Which is the object here. And الطعام was ضمة, so it's the subject. It's kind of like الطعام, like the food, has made me fall in love with it, or made me like it, you know? أعجبني. The food made me like it. Made me like it. Well, this is how you would translate it. But when you translate in English, we translate differently. So we say like أعجبني الطعام, I liked the food. So here, ما الذي أعجب عمر, if you're gonna translate it like word for word, like literally, it would be like, what is it that أعجب عمر, like made Umar like it, which means what did Umar like? في وسط المدينة, in the center or in the downtown. So Umar liked what? Let's see what Umar liked. ما الذي أعجبك فيه؟ أعجبني السوق واقف. So it is the market of واقف الذي يجمع بين الماضي والحاضر, that connects between the past and the present. This is the first thing. The second thing is what? وفنار بمنارته المميزة الفريدة. Like a lamp or a lighthouse that is so special and unique. So two things actually. Okay. إلى أين ستكون الجولة القادمة? To where ستكون الجولة القادمة? To where will the next tour be? Like what place? So let's see. في المرة القادمة سنزور متحف الفن الإسلامي. Right? Which means what?
They will
yes,
visit.
they will visit. Yes. Museum. Okay. Museum الفن الإسلامي, like the Islamic art. And the next exercise, ضع سؤالا مناسبا لكل إجابة مما يأتي. ضع, put سؤالا, put a question, مناسبا, suitable, okay, that fits. So it means put a suitable question لكل, for each إجابة, for each answer, مما يأتي, for those who would come to you, like of the following, which means of the following answers. And mimma, as you can tell, mimma, actually it's a mixture between two things, min and ma. Min, it means from, and ma means what? So we delete the noon that has sukun, and we find meme and another meme. So we put like shadda with fatha on the meme. You see? So it's meme with kasra and meme with shadda with fatha, and we deleted the noon and we keep the alif right there. So it's meme. So actually here there are no questions. It's just like answers, and you need to put a suitable question. Okay? So let's try to make a question here. لا لست متعبة. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
So
هل exactly.
هل أنت
هل أنت
أنت
هل أنت, because متعبة it's male, masculine. So هل أنت.
Oh, so هل أنت متعب؟
هل أنت متعب. بن
هل أنت متعب؟
هل أنت متعب؟ لا لست متعبا. It's تنوين with فتحة. Why? Because like naturally everything would be in the like the natural case, which is nominative, which is ضمة or تنوين with ضمة. But here لست, inshallah later when you study like we have something called like كان وأخواته. Okay, so كان وأخواته, it means like the name would have nominative, and the we say the khabar would have the accusative case. If I say, for example, ليس الولد كاذبا. I'm just giving like a little hint about it, like no details, that's all here. Okay, it's like a big, beautiful lesson in grammar. So ليس here, it means not, right? And it's one of the sisters of كان. كان أضحى بات أمسى صار أصبح and ليس and all this stuff. Later in details, inshallah. What happens when you have ليس in a sentence? The noun of ليس should have ضمة. So I say ليس الولد was ضمة. Okay? And the خبر should have فتحة, or the accusative case. we say كاذبا. You see? كاذبا. What happens if I get rid of ليس? Everything gets back to normal. So الولد, I would go like كاذب. Everything goes back to normal. But here there is a huge difference between الولد كاذب and ليس الولد كاذبا. الولد كاذب without ليس, the boy is a liar. So he tells lies. But if I say ليس الولد كاذبا, it means the boy is not a liar. So you can tell there's a huge difference, of course, in the translation, right? But grammatically, what comes after ليس is supposed to have dhamma, and what comes like after the noun that has dhamma, we call it like the khabar of ليس. Later, inshallah, we'll study it in details. We call it the khabar of ليس is mansub. In accusative case, it gets the tanween with fatha. And of course, it gets like other signs, but later. So here, less, this is ليس. And two, this is the name of ليس. متعبا, this is the khabar of ليس. That's why it gets tanween with fatha. So لا لست متعبة. So the answer or the question here is supposed to be, هل. Okay. هل أنت متعب؟ هل أنت متعب؟ لا لست متعبا. ذهبنا إلى مدينة الدوحة البارحة. Here you have two ways or two questions to make actually. If you say, for example, ذهبنا إلى مدينة الدوحة البارحة. If I say when, so you say البارحة, yesterday.
Oh, البارحة is yesterday.
البارحة is yesterday. ذهبنا إلى مدينة الدوحة, like we went to the Doha city yesterday. Ahmed, he wants to make the question starting with when. Like when
so
did
متى.
you go? Mata, exactly. So I say
متى ذهبنا. متى
no,
ذهبنا.
you do not say متى ذهبنا. If you متى ذهبتم, you guys.
Oh,
I'm asking
okay,
them.
and this is they.
Yes.
ذهبنا is
we. ذهبنا is we.
Oh, we. So when did you?
Yes, exactly. This is like English, right? Just like English. If I say ذهبنا إلى مصر, like we went to Egypt, right? Like نعم ذهبنا إلى مصر. Yes, we went to Egypt. If you want to make a question, you say, did you go to Egypt? هل ذهبتم إلى مصر? Right? So now you change the pronouns. You got it?
Yeah.
So here he says ذهبنا, we. ذهبنا إلى مدينة الدوحة. We went to the Doha city yesterday. So you say, when did you guys go to Doha? Of course, you're not going to say, when did you go to Doha yesterday? No, you already said when. So you do not mention yesterday. So when we say mata, okay, we do not mention al-barih. So mata ذهبتم, we change the pronoun, and instead of na, we say tum, mata ذهبتم, and you complete the entire sentence إلى مدينة الدوحة. Right? Miroslava says, no, I'm not gonna ask meta. I will ask where. Where did you guys go yesterday? So the answer is supposed to be مدينة الدوحة. إلى أين, exactly. So you say إلى أين. Look, you start with إلى أين, to where, and then you change ذهبنا إلى ذهبتم. ذهبتم. To where did you guys go? And you mention البارحة, yesterday. See?
Okay.
So we have two ways here. Here, right there. سنذهب إلى مركز المدينة. What does it mean?
سنذهب إلى المركز مدينة means like we are going to the market in the city.
Not
city
market. Markaz is not market. Souk is market. Markaz is center.
Oh, center.
Right? Or the downtown. Okay. So apparently this is a place. You can just say where. Huh. So I delete the place and I
So
say
إلى أين؟
إلى أين
سنذهب.
إلى أين سنذهب, like to where will we go, or إلى أين ستذهبون. You're talking to
ستذهبون.
yes,
You.
like you, okay? It doesn't matter, both are right.